In this video, I am going to show you how to get supports inside the app of MacroFactor. So what you'll need to do first is simply go and log in into your account and access the application, then log in into your account. So now how can we get the support? What you'll need to do once you open the application, you should find yourself, of course, here in the dashboard. Here, you'll have to go down to the options or more at the bottom right. So once you click on it, as you can see here, you'll find here basically more, or basically this is like the settings. So if you keep scrolling down here, as you can see, you'll find community and support. So what you'll need to do is simply go and click on support. In here, you'll be able to find contact us. So talk with an MF bot, AI chat bot that will provide instant response informed by the knowledge base, or talk with MF support. Expert in-house support staff are available to help you. Conversations, which you'll be able to view all of your activity in past conversation and submit a feature request or submit a bug report. So for us, we would like an example to talk to support. So we'll have to choose one of those two options. I can first of all try with the bot if I want to, which will I can just go and ask him question and he will ask me depending on the database. If he couldn't help me, I can always just go back and talk with the real support. And as you can see, if I want to talk to with real support, I'll have first of all to enable personalized support. So as you can see, I'll have to allow the MF support to review your account data during support interactions. So if you didn't enable that, you'll not be able to talk to real support. So here you'll have to provide your email so they can get back to you and they will contact you as soon as possible. Then they will be able to support you. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.